Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga C340. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the camera on your Lenovo Yoga C340 won't turn on, you may be experiencing a common issue that can occur for various reasons, including software glitches or hardware failures. If left unresolved, this can lead to further complications, such as complete camera failure or difficulties with video calls and photography. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools, a precision screwdriver set, plastic opening tools, tweezers, and a replacement camera module specifically for the Lenovo Yoga C340. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using a plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of your Lenovo Yoga C340. Start at one corner, gently working your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the camera module. It's typically situated near the top of the device. The faulty camera will have a connector attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable using your tweezers, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, remove any screws securing the camera module in place, typically using your precision screwdriver set. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for the reassembly. Gently lift the old camera module out and replace it with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the camera cable to the motherboard, making sure it is secure. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reconnected, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured. Power on your device and test the camera to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections and the installation of the new camera. To prevent this problem from occurring again, regularly update your device's software and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures or physical damage. Always handle your device with care, especially when opening it for repairs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.